How to find friends on the Snapchat map or Snapmap. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find your friends or how you can locate your friend on the Snapchat map or the Snap map. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your Snapchat app and you should get an interface like this. At the bottom of your screen you can see various options and you want to tap on the map icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, your Snap map should open up, and here you can see I have a couple of friends here, actually a lot, and in my basic region. Now the way you can find your friends is you can zoom in and you can look it at the name here, you can see. And if you get it tough, because you can see here I have lots of friends, you can simply tap on friends icon at the bottom of your screen, and here now you can see I opened the Snap app. If you just want to find your friend, if you're having trouble finding one of your particular friend, you can simply tap on friend icon at the bottom right here. You can see friends icon, and then you can see search option. You want to simply tap on search and you'll be able to search it from here. You can type in your friend name here and you'll be able to search in here. So the other way is you can simply open up their chat and you can see here I've searched in for them. So tap on friends option and you'll be able to search them from here. Similarly, from the search option you'll be able to search them from here as well. This way you can find friends on Snapchat map. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.